Dear students, good morning, namaste. I'm CS. We are on the online classes. A new chapter that is already started. Two videos I sent. And this chapter is a sequences and series. In the first video, we find the definition of sequence and the difference of sequence. Okay, now? And we started the exercise also. That is 9.1. In that, we solved 9 problems. Now I am going to start the 10th problem. You see, the solution. The 10th problem is given, we are given an is equal to n of n minus 2 by n minus 3, and we have to find A20. You open your textbooks and see that. N is equal to 20 means we get A20. It is 20 of 20 minus 2 by 20 plus 3. 20 into 18 by 23. That is 18 to 36 0 by 20. So this is A20 for the nth terms of the series. Here given means given series, you write it as. Given series is an for different values of n. That is natural numbers. 1 of 1 minus 2 like that. 1 by 1 plus 3. 2 of 2 minus 2 by 2 plus 3. 3 of 3 minus 2, like that it is given. Okay, now in that series we find A20. So that is over. The next is, you see, we have to find the first 5 terms or 5 numbers or 5 elements of the sequence. Generally we use 5 terms of the sequence. Terms of the sequence. Numbers of the sequence also. Elements of the sequence are also. And also find the series. We are asked here. Series is also there. 11, 12, 13. The 3 problems we have to find the terms. You see 11th problem. Given, what is given? Given is A1 is equal to 3 only. And we are given again an is 3, an minus 1 plus 2, where n greater than 1, n is not 1. If a1 is there, it is not be different. A1 is 3 is there. Okay now? Right. 1 minus 1 means a0 value is not there. Only the terms a1, a2, a3 like that is there. So here a greater than 1 because n greater than 1, n is not equal to 1 because a1 is already given. It is the first number given. So the relation is an is with its previous number an minus 1 multiply with 3 and add 2. You see Nana, this is the everywhere one condition is there like this. And here we have to find first 5 terms. A1 is there, A2. Here is n is equal to 2 means A2 in this relation. A2 is 3 into A2 minus 1 plus 2. That is equal to 3 into A1. 2 minus 1 is A1 plus 2. That is equal to 3 into A1 is already is there 3. Plus 2, that is equal to 9 plus 2 is 11. So A2 is 11. It is 11, yeah. Okay. Again, n is equal to 3. That implies in this relation A3 is equal to 3 into, it is A2. You know it. 3 minus 1 is A2 plus 2. That is 3 into 11 plus 2, 33 na. 33 plus 2 is 35. Okay, Nana? So here it is, that implies A3 is equal to 35. Okay, na? Like this. Right. Next, n is equal to 4. Okay, na? We have to find n terms. N is equal to 4 means it is A4 is 3 into n minus 1, 4 minus 1, A3 plus 2. This is 3 into, what is A3? A3 is already is there, 35 plus 2. That implies, you see, Nana, it is A4. A4 is nothing but 35 3s, 105 plus 2. 105. 33 3s, 3 5s, 15, 5 1, 3 3s, 9 1, 10, 105 plus 2. 1 7. Okay, now don't confuse. And n is equal to 5. It is A5, A3 into A4 plus 2, 3 into 107. I will write again because that will not be shown. So I will write on the upside. You see, please observe. It is n is equal to 5. That is A5. In this one, A5 is 3 into A5 minus 1 is A4 plus 2. 3 into, it is 107 plus 2. This is 21 plus 3. 3 7s 21. 3 1 is 3. It is 321 plus 2 is 323. Okay, then? So it is A5. So already given A1 is there. First 5 terms. A1, A2 is there, A3 is there, A4 is there, A5 is there. Okay, now? Like that we can understand. Okay, now? Next we'll go to next problem. Okay, now, next 12th one. 12th one is A1 is equal to minus 1 and An is equal to An minus 1 by n, where n greater than or equal to 2. We are given A1, this is given. A1 first term is given and a relation is given, a data is given. The relation of the each term is with its previous term is given. You see, here n is equal to 2, we assume, because it is from 2 onwards, n is equal to 2 or more than 2. Then it is, you see, okay, now, A2 is equal to A1 by, okay, 2. Previous number by 2, that number n. What is A1? Minus 1 by 2. Okay, now? So that implies A2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. The value. N is equal to 3. A3 is A2 by 3. Will agree? A2 is minus 1 by 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 2 into 3. Minus 1 by 6. You see, A2 is already minus 1 by 2. 2 is denominator. From the given, it is a 3 is denominator. Denominator. Not 3 is goes to upside. Okay now. So what is A3? A3 is minus 1 by 6. When n is equal to 4, that implies A4 is equal to A3 by 4. Correct? That is good. What is A3? Minus 1 by 6 by? It is 4. Minus 1 by 6 into 4. It is minus 1 by 24. So it is A4. Okay now? A4 value is that one. Okay now? You see. Next, just and n is equal to 5. It is A5 is equal to, okay na, A5. It is A4 by 5. What is A4? Minus 1 by 24 by this 5. Minus 1 by 24 into 5. Minus 1 by, okay na, it is 5 20s 100 4, 5 4s 20, 120 is there. So A5 is equal to minus 1 by 120. Okay then? You see there? A1 is already there. It is. But we had to mention, in the previous problem also I forgot to write the series. Now I will write it. A1 is minus 1. Hence we have to write. Hence the sequence and the series are similar. For the first problem also we have to write like that only. With the minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 6 comma minus 1 by 24 comma minus 1 by 120. The first value is given. A1 is given. A2, A3, A4, A5. And series. Series is also asked. Minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 6 plus minus 1 by 24. Okay na? Plus minus 1 by 120. Like that we have to mention. Don't confuse. I forgot to write the series in the first problem. Just what is the difference between sequence series means? You give a sign plus. Okay na? Here it is plus. Okay, you write like this only. This is the correct one. Okay na? This is the series, where this one is the sequence. Okay na? Next, we'll go to the next 13th problem. Is it clear? Thirteenth problem. Say A1 is equal to A2 is equal to 2. Both the first two terms are 2. And An is equal to An minus 1 minus 1. Where n greater than 2. There is no need to find n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 2. It is n greater than 2, already given. So n is equal to 3 implies A3 is equal to A2 minus 1, n minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. A2 is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay now? N is equal to 4. A4 is equal to A3 minus 1. What is A3? A3 is already there, A3 value. This is A3. I will write here. A3 is equal to 1. Already A2 is there. So it is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies A4 is equal to 0. N is equal to 5. A5 is equal to A4 minus 1. That is A4 is 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. That implies A5 is equal to minus 1. Okay, now? So we have the sequences. The sequence and the series. You see then? Sequence is A1 is 2. Again A2 is 2. A3 is 1. A4 is 0, comma minus 1. And it is 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus minus 1. Okay, na? It is series. Series means just we are giving the sign plus. We connect all the numbers of the sequence with the sign plus. Okay, na? So these are the first 5 terms of the problems 11, 12, 13. In the 11th problem, I forgot to write the series. Please, you take it down. Okay, Rena? Yes, pause. Okay, Rena, observe me. Now we're going to solve the problem 14. It is a new sequence. A name is there. That is Fibonacci. 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 One C is pronounced as K, and another one is yes, like that. Fibonacci is the name of family of a person, mathematician. Fibonacci is the name of the family, and a person, his son, his grandson are all mathematicians. They found different types of series. The father, his name also Fibonacci, ends with Fibonacci. On that family of mathematicians, nearly 4 terms. Father, son, his son, and his son. Like that, they are all mathematicians. Of course, we leave out that topic. On behalf of that family, that name is K. Here, a sequence is there. That sequence can be obtained. You see, each number, each term of the sequence can be obtained by summing up the preceding 2 numbers. Okay, Rena? For example, the first number is without any condition. First number is always that one. 1, a first number. Only one term is there. By definition is preceding 2 terms. So, we assume it is a 0. And so again we will get a 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So second term is also 1. Now we use this definition perfectly. 1 plus 1, preceding 2 terms is 1, 1 for getting a third term. This is third term. In order to get a third term, 1 plus 1 is 2. In order to get a fourth term, this is the fourth term. Preceding 2 terms is 1 plus 2 is 3. In order to get a fifth term, preceding 2 terms is 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, sixth term, preceding 2 terms is 3 plus 5 is 8. Like that is, next it is 13, next it is 21, like it is going on. So, this type of series is called as, a sequence is called as Fibonacci. Fibonacci, some may pronounce it Fibonacci also. Let it be, it is a proper noun, let it be. Actually, it is a Fibonacci is given in like that one. Okay. This series is useful to find in which ratio the bacteria or the virus are increasing in our body. It's like this. Okay, now The coronavirus is not like this. It is very, very fast. That is a different one. You leave it out. For that purpose, the 14th century, this family found this type of series. Okay. Now, this is the definition. You write this one also. Okay. Now, we'll come to the problem 14. What is the 14th problem is, you see, we are given A1, A2 is equal to 1. Okay, now, the first two terms of any sequence or series are same, no doubt it is a Fibonacci series. Okay, and we are given again an is equal to n minus 1 plus n minus 2. The same. The previous terms are each and every term can be obtained by summing of the previous, the just previous before that one. N minus 1, n minus 2. We will get that one. Here n greater than 2 is given. Okay, now here n is equal to 3. Well, because we have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 3 means A3 is equal, it is A2 plus A1. That is 1 plus 1, 2. N is equal to 4. It is A4 is equal to A3 plus A2. A3 is already there, 2. A3 is there, 2. A1 is there, 1. It is 3. N is equal to 5. It is A5 is equal to A4 plus A3. A4 is 3. A3 is A4 is 3. A3 is 2. It is 5. Okay, now N is equal to 6 also is needed. So A6 is equal to A5 plus A4. A5 is 5 plus A4 is 3. So it is 8. But we have to find A n plus 1 by an values asked for all those things. Now I will tell it. I will erase this definition. Remember it. Now say, observe maiden. Then, what we are asked? N plus 1 by an is there. This is an. Okay, na? For n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah. If n is equal to 1, it is A2 by A1. When n is equal to 1, A1, 1 plus 1, 2. But its A2 value is 1, A1 value is 1, so 1. Okay, the first one. Next, A3 by A2. Next, when n is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 by A2. A3 value is A3 is 2, we are given. A2 is 1, 2. Again, A4 by A3. Okay, na? A4 is 3 by A3 is 2. Again, A5 by A4. When we get A5, when n is equal to 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by A4. A5 is already there, 5 by A4 is there, 3. Okay, now? Next, similarly, A6 by A5. What is A6? 8. It is 5. Okay, now? Hence, you see, hence we write all the values. Hence, it is first one is 1, next to 2, next to 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 8 by 5. Okay, na? And we will go. Okay, na? Like that. But we are given only up to this one. This is sequence. Series is series 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3 plus 8 by 5. This is 5. Okay, na? Like this. But I think here we are not asked the series, but only sequence. But extra I will write this one. Okay, na? We solved the 14th problem. This is the exercise 9.1. It is completed. Okay, na? Slowly you learn it. A very good chapter it is. We will slowly complete. And one more thing, again I am telling, no need to worry. After this problem is solved, this problem is not the problem on the board. The corona problem is solved, the lockdown is over. Then the college will be opened. At the time again we will take the classes. No need to worry, please. But up to in our home, you try to catch this one clearly and write on the notes. Okay, na? Like that, please. Thank you.